important day today. Now today is the reminds us of today is the birth anniversary of Jesus Christ. Have you understood? Now the birth anniversary of Jesus Christ is very significant. It reminds us of truth because he came he came to this world as a baby, not as a king. If he wanted, then he could have come over here. He could come to this world as a king. Why are you standing over there together? I told you what to do. And if he wanted to, then he could have come here as a king. But he came in the form of a baby, very innocent and beautiful. And we know that all babies are very loving, filled with truth, filled with innocence. He came in that form. So he came to this world in a beautiful form, filled with truth. And later on, when as we know that some people do not like the truth, they get agitated with the truth, and because of this, he was crucified. He was crucified because there were some people who did not like the truth and they conspired against him. Due to truth, eventually, after his crucifixion, he conquered death. When he conquered death, then that itself is also truth. Because due to truth, you can conquer death. If you are not truth, if there is nothing truthful, then you cannot conquer death. So he conquered death and he gained for us life eternal. So how did he conquer death and what led to his crucifixion? It is because for saving, he came to this world as a savior of mankind to save humanity from the scourges from the bond of sin, to save mankind from the bondage of sin. He came into this world to save mankind from the bondage of sin. And he came to this world to save mankind from the bondage of sin because he was all truth. He was filled with truth and beauty. He was crucified because he was again filled with truth and beauty. He could not denounce himself lower. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
And then again because of his truthfulness and beauty, he had conquered death and has given us life eternal. Have you understood?
Yes.
So this is a very big occasion which we are celebrating throughout the world, and for this reason I am going to sing to you a song. I am going to sing to you several songs to indicate the beauty of this day. Today is Christmas Eve, and this Christmas Eve celebration is going on at Bikaj Bharati High School. It is a day this day reminds us of the beauty and truth. And there is a famous phrase saying that beauty is truth and truth is beauty. Beauty is truth and truth is beauty. Have you understood? So now, for this beautiful day filled with truth, several songs will be sung for you to understand the significance of this day. Okay, now.